Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Google Cloud Platform GCP Associate Cloud Engineer certification. This is the second video. In the first video, what we did, we created a GCP account. It's very simple. All you need to do is to go to the GCP, just Google for GCP free account, and you can just create your first account. So in this video we are going to browse the management console. So in order to do that, all you need to do is to go to just we log into, look for console.google.cloud, and you can, once you hit enter, and just go to this first link. So once you go to this link, but remember you need to have an account. You can create an account, and once your account is created, you just need to log in with your account. I'm gonna enter my password. Once you enter the password, you will be taken to the web console. This is known as the web console, and it's the main console where you can manage all of the GCP services. Just like all of the cloud providers, this is the main dashboard where it takes you. This is called a dashboard. On the dashboard you will see different menu items here, and different cloud services, and we are going to browse and see that how easy it is to manage this GCP platform. Now the very first thing that we need to remember is that everything in Google it runs under a project. So by default, my first project is created for us. There is a project ID, project number is also assigned to this, and whenever you do anything, everything goes under a project. So for example, you are making let's say you're making servers, 4 servers for a finance department. You will create a project. Under that project, those servers will be created, and the main idea behind having project is the same thing that we have in Azure. In Azure, this is called resources. So you can create resources in Azure. In GCP, it is called project. So we can create, the main idea behind that all the billing can be done under that project. So that one project can have VMs, and then web apps, and PaaS services, and IaaS services, and the database, and the storage, networking, so that all can be built under the same project. So first of all, everything will be built under a project. On this side, first of all, this is the title. This is the top bar, title bar. Here you can see the main menu. On this side, this is the main menu. From here you can click on the home screen. Home screen is this screen where it shows you your dashboard and different services that you want to see on the dashboard. You can obviously create and customize this dashboard. We're going to see that in a moment. Here in the main menu, you can see marketplace, where you will have many different cloud services that you can that we can explore. This is the billing, where you can see the billing and everything, that the services and their usage, and then billing will be available. Now by default, billing is not enabled. You need to enable the billing in order to use these services. I'm going to come back to this in a moment. Here we have app and services, which has the dashboard and library and credentials. We have app services. Under here we have getting started, and we are going to explore these services one by one. We have compute engine. This is compute engine, where it is all about virtual machines. App engine, compute engine, Kubernetes, cloud functions, cloud run, VMware engine. Under that we have storage, different type of storage services available. Under that we have databases, the databases that can be utilized in GCP. Then we have networking with VPCs, virtual networks, and then other networking services. Then we have other operations like to maintain the system, monitoring, debugging, logging. Then we have various tools to manage these cloud services. So this is the main menu that we will be working with. Over here, we have our first project. If I click on this, I'm working on the first project is this one. I can create a new project right here. Once you create a new project, then we can name that project, let's say a finance department project, or maybe a call center project. So all of the similar resources that you want to combine into under one one group can be you need to have a project. Now if you don't create a project and you work on my first project or one project, then it will be difficult for you to basically separate these resources as per their billing requirements, or maybe the capacity requirements, and for that purpose. Now here we have, so I'm going to make the project later on. So this is the project screen. Here you can search for all of the services, all of the cloud services. So for example, if I am searching for anything VM, so here I can get all of the VM instances. You can go to the VM instances right from here as well, and at the same time you can also here is the VM instance. You can go from here, or you can search for any cloud service right from here. Let's say if I am searching for VPC, I can go from right here and then select the server. It will show me the products and services that are available in GCP, and also it show me the marketplace, what other appliances are available that can help me out with VPC. Now here on this side, this is the cloud shell, and all of the cloud providers have their shell. You can do everything right from here. I can create a VM right from the compute engine, go to VM instances, or I can use a command line interface and run all these command line commands to create, edit, delete, manage all these services. Here I do have a help where you can get the documentation. There are many tutorials available and other help, shortcut keys, keyboard shortcut, and it's amazing, excellent, very simple to use help available right here. Then we have a notification where you can see all the activities. So if I can go here, see all of the activities. Within the activities you can see you can find out all the activities that are happening within the cloud environment as per whatever you are doing. So for example, I just created this new account, so a new project was created for me with my email address, and there is a project ID is also assigned, and you can see details about the project. So basically activities will show you everything that you are doing in the cloud environment, and when you initiate a new command, or maybe create a new service, in order to create these services, whatever is happening will be recorded here in activities. So this notification screen is important. I mean, here it's showing us the successful completion of the services or the task. It will also show us the error messages as well. Now within these three dots, you can go into more settings option, preferences, and in here it will show you who is logged in, and right from here it is just like a normal Google account management. Your Google account management, your security settings, and everything will be handled here just like any Gmail address. Now going back to the cloud, going back to the GCP, the web console, so I'm gonna go here and go back to the home screen. Now within the home screen I have this dashboard. You can change this dashboard. Let's say if I can go to the customize, and within customize, let's say I don't need to see this app engine at the moment. You can just I can enable this app engine, or you can, for now it is disabled, and right here you want to enable billing. You have monitoring here, and also what you can do, you can also move around these different tiles here in different order, however you want to see this. For example, this is the compute engine. Here I don't want to see the news and the documentation. Let's say I can enable, disable all this, and then later on what I can do, I can save these settings. Within recommendation, activities, we have already seen that in activities everything will be recorded, whatever we are doing in here, and recommendation will show us any recommendation that can make our cloud experience better will be right here, in terms of cost saving, in terms of billing, in terms of maybe maintaining the environment. We will see once we start creating project and resources, we will start seeing recommendations as well. So basically this is the web console, and in order to create any resource, you just need to go down to the compute, let's say here, and you can create, just click on the resource, and then you can start working with the resource. Within the getting started screen, within the getting started option, here you will find lot of helps. Here it is showing you get up and running quickly quickly, running quickly by checking off the common tasks. So here you can go to the list checklist. Here it's saying create a billing account. So first of all, we need to create a billing account, then we need to create a project for ourselves, and then we can start find products and API, then start working on your project. So here you will find. So the very first thing we will do is create a billing account. So in this video we have seen how to we were exploring the web console. In the next video we'll be working with the billing export and creating our first billing alert. Thank you for watching this video.